I want to teach you on how to change Twitter Trends location. From this tutorial, you will learn how to change your Twitter trending location to any location of your choice.
Welcome to Ojako YouTube channel. I want to teach you how to change Twitter Trends location to your preferred location of your choice. From this tutorial, you will learn how to change your Twitter trending location. The first thing you have to do is to log into your Twitter account. After logging to Twitter account, then you have to click on Explore tab here. You tick on Explore tab, then you have to click on this settings icon. You see the settings, you tick it, and now here you can see Explore settings location. Show content in this location. If you tick this one now, then you will not be able to change your location. What you have to do is to untick this show content in this location. Untick, then you click on explore locations here. Now you can see the option to type the country, the location you prefer. Let's assume you want to change to Canada. You type Canada. Now you can see locations of Canada. Any one you like, you choose. So let me choose this one. Then what I have to do is to tick this close icon. That's all. Now you can see what will be showing to you now are trending topics on Canada. You can see trending in Canada. Everything you will see here is trending in Canada. Are topics that are trending in Canada. And now if you want to change it to another location, you see the same method. You click on these settings, you tick here, let's say United States. Type United States. You can see United States. You tick United States, then close this tab. Now you can see all these things are events, topics trending in United States. Let me refresh. All these things are events trending in United States. So as you can see, this is not too hard to do. If you follow my guideline tutorial, you will be able to change trending location on Twitter. That is, change trends location to any country or different location you want. Thank you for watching my YouTube tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.